Hey, I literally just got done recording one video, and I was thinking about adding this to the other video, but I was like, no, wait, I want to make it its own video because it's really exciting news. So I posted on my Facebook page that, oh, as some of you guys know, I bought a new car, brand new. It was a 2018 Mazda 6 Grand Touring, decked out. It's freaking awesome. If you're looking to buy a vehicle, buy it from my brother. The information was in that one video. If you want the information, ask me. I'll give it to you anytime, any day of the week. He is, you know, they could be your in on brand new cars, especially in the Dodge, Chrysler, Mazda, Jeep. They can get you awesome deals, okay? So yeah, if you're looking at a brand new car, go to the dealership that's by you and then talk to them and see what they can do. It won't hurt. If you're going to buy something new, it won't hurt for you to look to see what other options are out there or what somebody else can do, right? Anyway, going back to what I was saying, that's really freaking awesome news. That's just cool. I have two vehicles at the house. One of them I might be going to a family member. I'm not sure. I'm waiting for them to get back to me. The other one is going to go to you guys. One of y'all are going to get a vehicle from me. Who? I don't know. How I'm going to do it? I don't know. But it does, both of them need a little bit of work, and I'm going to record the work being done. And I'm going to make a YouTube videos on it, and then I'm going to give it away to somebody for free. Zero cost. Absolutely free. Blue title. I mean, you guys might not know what blue title means. It is a clean car. It's not wrecked. It's not total. It's not anything. And you can do whatever the hell you want with that car. You can sell it. You can blow it up. You can drive it until the wheels fall off. I don't care. And I would like to try to buy a car here and there, make a few videos, fixing it up, doing whatever, and then giving it away to you guys. Because, as you guys know, on my videos, there's advertisements. You guys have been watching a lot of my videos, and that gives me money. And I think it would be fun to take some of that money and to buy cars, and to give them to you guys. So, yeah, I just think that would be really, really cool. And then there's some other things I might try to do with some of that. And we'll just kind of, you know, play by ear. But I'm probably going to do like a Google Forms thing and have it go to a spreadsheet and then a random number generator, pick a number. I don't know. I'll figure it out. But stay tuned. Definitely hit the subscribe button because you will have to be a subscriber of mine. And I probably will start a Facebook page. I don't know yet for my channel. I don't know. I don't know. Anyway, stay tuned. Keep track. Watch my videos. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Subscribe.